So yung mga pre, tapos na kami mag-breakfast dito. And pasado alas 8 na. Pero diretso biyahe kami, hanap kami ng falls na malapit dito. Or baka mapunta na kami na Infanta Quezon. Kasi wala kami mahanap na falls dito sa Tanay Rizal. Kaya baka mag-Infanta Quezon na kami mamaya mga pre. So, let's go!
Minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer of green, lift up your head and lean, count the stars up before you leave.
Mga pre, tapos namin kumain, chill na kami dito sa falls. Tapos ayun, enjoy lang namin to moment namin dito. Let's go. And mamaya meron lang kami mga 2 oras siguro para mag-chill dito. Kasi mga 4 PM ra-rides lang kami pa uwi. So yun, sundin natin to. So
what do I believe? What makes me feel it? To write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months in a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape, I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
another ride mga pre, another magandang spot na naman yung pinuntahan natin. And kita nyo naman, itong fall